Low air pressure warning system activate.
Wheel are choked, both brake applied, transmission neutral, my truck is safe and secure. Now start the truck. Air pressure is above 100 psi, both brake applied. Now I'm going to dump the air pressure until the low air pressure warning system is activated by applying the service brake. Low air pressure warning system is activated on 60 to 65, which is good. If it's activated below than the 55 psi, it has a defect. Now I will read the major and minor. Low air warning system fail or system is activated is a major defect. I will write in the logbook, call to the operator, and truck is out of service.